Hello everyone, just a quick update on my mini mulcher build. I got a comment, I forgot who it was, but thank you, that I should make a pedal for it so I don't waste as much fuel and longer lifespan of the engine, which I did today. So instead of a foot pedal, I decided to go with a knee switch, I guess. One reason is because I'd like to be well planted over on both my feet when I'm over a rotating blade like this. So I think it's slightly safer than having to be like this, you know, hopping. And number two, since this is mobile on the wheelbarrow and I want it to go everywhere, and I don't want to sacrifice a wheelbarrow forever for it, if I had it down here I'd get caught on stuff. So I thought this is much better idea. All I did was connect the handle right through with a bolt and then put a couple of hinges for that. So let's start it up and see what difference it makes. Now I can take my time to get these in order while it's spinning, which is awesome. I'm pretty happy with that. I've been working all morning and I'm still working on the same tank that I filled up. It's at least 3 or 4 times more efficient, obviously, because it's not constantly flat out. And hopefully the engine will last longer too. That's it from me. Take it easy, guys. See you soon. If you haven't seen how I built my mini mulcher, you can watch that next.